In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make One Piece in Infinite Craft. And to start with, we're going to combine water with water to create lake. From there, we can combine water and lake to create ocean. And we can then combine ocean with earth to create island. From there, earth and island will create continent, and earth and continent will create land. We can then put earth and water together to create plant, and we can put ocean and water together to create fish. From there, fish and plant will create seaweed, and seaweed and fish will create sushi. We can then put land and sushi together to create Japan, and we can put plant and plant together to create tree. We then have to put tree with tree to create forest, and we can put tree with forest to create wood. From there, tree and wood will create paper, and we can put paper with paper to create book. Now all we have to do is put book with Japan to create manga, and we can put manga with Japan to create anime. And this is the first half done. We then have to put plant and combine that with wind to create dandelion, and we can combine dandelion with tree to create wish. We can then put wish with tree to create money, and we then have to put wind with earth to create dust. We can then put fire and wind to make smoke, and we can put dust and earth to make planet. From there, we can put water with smoke, which will give us fog, and we can put fog with planet, which will give us Venus. From there, planet with water will give us ocean. From there, plant with water will give us swamp, and we can put swamp with earth to create mud. From there, we can put mud with Venus to give us Adam, and we can put Adam with Venus to create Eve. We can then put Eve with Adam to create human, and human then goes together with money to create rich. From there, we can put rich with ocean to get pirate, and when we combine pirate and anime, we now get One Piece. So that's how you can make One Piece in Infinite Craft. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.